फंक्शंस ऑफ मनी दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है, प्राइमरी फंक्शंस एंड सेकेंडरी फंक्शंस। तो मनी क्या फंक्शन परफॉर्म करने वाली होगी? जो जो हमारी बार्टर सिस्टम की लिमिटेशंस थी उनको ओवरकम करने के लिए जो जो उसे करना पड़े वो सब करेगी। ध्यान से देखना, प्राइमरी फंक्शंस इंक्लूड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शंस ऑफ मनी। प्राइमरी फंक्शंस में दो हैं, it should be accepted as a medium of exchange or measure of value. Secondary functions, standard of deferred payment, store of value. So primary functions, most important functions which money must perform are medium of exchange. Money as a medium of exchange means that it can be used to make payments for all transactions of goods and services. Medium of exchange, accepted by everyone. It is the most essential function of money. Money has the quality of general acceptability. A keyword है general acceptability. So all exchanges take place in terms of money. This function has removed the major difficulty of lack of double coincidence of bonds. अब आपको वेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है। मुझे आइसक्रीम खानी है, तो पहले क्या होता था? पहले तो आइसक्रीम ही नहीं होती थी, बट जो भी मुझे चीज चाहिए उसके लिए पहले मुझे ढूंढना पड़ता था जो सेलर को कमोडिटी चाहिए। अब क्या, मैं सर्विसेज रेंडर करूंगा, मैं इनकम जनरेट करूंगा, कहीं भी जाऊंगा, अब उस पैसे को मैं अपने हिसाब से खर्च कर सकता हूं। तो द एक्ट ऑफ परचेज एंड सेल एंड जनरेशन ऑफ इनकम, दे हैव बीन सेपरेटेड। अभी मैं सर्विस रेंडर कर रहा हूं, इनकम जनरेट हो रही है, क्या एट द सेम टाइम मैं कुछ खरीद रहा हूं? अभी एट प्रेजेंट मैं सर्विस रेंडर कर रहा हूं, जनरेशन ऑफ रेवेन्यू हो रहा है।
Yes, sir.
क्या एट द सेम टाइम मैं कोई सामान खरीद रहा हूं आपसे?
No, sir.
नो। तो बट पहले क्या होता था कि अगर आप कोई सर्विस रेंडर कर रहे हो तो एट द सेम टाइम आपको दूसरे बंदे से कोई सामान खरीदना पड़ेगा टू कंप्लीट द ट्रांजैक्शन। तो पॉइंट था कि द एक्ट ऑफ सेल एंड परचेज दे हैव बीन सेपरेटेड बिकॉज ऑफ मनी। पहले एक टाइम पे ही दोनों डबल कोइंसिडेंस होना चाहिए। दिस फंक्शन हैज रिमूव द मेजर डिफिकल्टी ऑफ लैक ऑफ डबल कोइंसिडेंस ऑफ बॉन्ड्स and inconveniences associated with the barter system. Use of money allows, ये जो मैं अभी बता रहा था आपको, it allows purchase and sale to be conducted independently of one another. पहले एक ही टाइम पे बेच भी रहे हो, कुछ ले भी रहे हो। This function of money facilitates trade, business में help करेगा, trade, buying and selling of goods, and helps in conducting transactions in the economy. Money has no power to satisfy human wants. Money थोड़ी ना खा जाओगे, money थोड़ी ना consume करोगे. You will use money to buy other goods and services which will satisfy your wants. It commands power. Money commands power to purchase those things which have utility to satisfy human wants. So money as a medium of exchange. Most important functions primary में number one medium of exchange. Number two, measure of value, unit of value. Money as a measure of value means that money works as a common denomination in which values of all goods and services are expressed. पहले क्या था? Absence of a common measure of value. Money ने वो problem solve कर दी, common denominator आ गया. By reducing the value of goods and services to a single unit, it becomes very easy to find out the exchange ratios. तो पहले exchange ratios कितने unlimited चीजों के terms में आपको निकालने पड़ते थे, अब no, अब everything is expressed in terms of money and it helps in comparing their prices as well. This function facilitates maintenance of business accounts which would be otherwise impossible. Money helps in calculating relative prices of goods and services. Due to this reason, it is regarded as a unit of account. For instance, rupee is the unit of account in India, pound in India. Unit of account किस unit में measure कर रहे हैं money को? Primary functions दो, one medium of exchange, second measure of value or unit of value function. Secondary functions, though. Secondary functions, they refer to those functions which are supplementary to primary functions. Main function to wahi tha, medium of exchange, it should be generally accepted by everyone, and measure of value, so that everything can be expressed in terms of money. Additional functions, secondary functions kya introduce hue? These functions are derived from primary functions and therefore they are also known as derivative functions. उनसे derive हुए हैं ये secondary functions. तो वही limitations को overcome करने के लिए खेल है सारा. Standard of deferred payments, future payments करने में help करता है money. Money as a standard of deferred payments, it means that money acts as a standard for payments which are to be made in future. Every day, millions of transactions take place in which payments are not made immediately. They are to be made at a future date. कह कोई बात नहीं, आप इसको 5 साल में दे देना, 10 साल में दे देना, 6 महीने में दे देना. Money encourages such transactions. आप इसको 6 EMIs में convert करा लो, 12 में करा लो, 36 में करा लो, जब तक जिंदा हो EMIs देते रहना. And helps in capital formation and economic development of the economy. Capital formation, increase in capital, investments में help करता है. This function of money is significant because money as a standard of deferred payment has simplified the borrowing and lending operations. अब loan देना possible हुआ है because of introduction of money. पहले future payments calculate करना बहुत मुश्किल होता था. It has led to creation of financial institutions like banks. Secondary function में एक standard of deferred payments और एक store of value. पैसे कैसे accumulate करके रखें, store of value function. Money as a store of value means that money can be used to transfer purchasing power from present to future. Bitcoin is also a store of value. It is an asset which stores value. Cryptocurrency. Money is a way to store wealth. Although wealth can be stored in other forms also, but money is the most economical and convenient way. It provides security to individuals to meet contingencies, unpredictable emergencies, and to pay future debts. Under the barter system, it was difficult to use goods as a store of wealth due to perishable nature of some goods and high cost of storage. Cost of storage, perishable nature, cost involved है, जगह लेंगे, time लेंगे. Money is the most convenient, most economical way to store wealth. Money as a store of value has the following advantages. Money is available in fractional denominations. 1 रुपए से लेके 2000 तक की वैल्यू आपके पास. Money इंडियन करेंसी की बात हो रही है. Money is easily portable, कहीं पे भी लेके घूमो. Economical to store money. It does not require much space. अब तो 2000 के नोट हैं और कम जगह लेते हैं. Money has the merit of general acceptability, so it can be easily exchanged for goods at all times. Savings in terms of money are much more secured than in terms of goods. So the money has overcome all the limitations of barter system. वो सारे functions perform करती है जो barter system में हमारी problems थी. पता होने चाहिए बेटा, primary functions, secondary functions दोनों.